Hello, what is up everyone, RF57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Majorette Mercedes-AMG GT R from the racing cars series. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this particular design quite surprised me because I didn't know that this car in this livery or design was releasing. So this is quite a surprise for me for an AMG GT. Obviously, you know me, I collect all types of AMG GTs, including the full collection of the Hot Wheels AMG GTs, the Majorette AMG GTs, and a bunch more. This one in particular is the AMG GT R, also known as the racing version. Of course, it's not really racing as in not street legal, but it is a street legal car that you can use. And yes, you already know it, AMG GT R. It's a different version of the AMG GT. But you might be thinking, this car kind of seems like it released before in this color but not in this design. Well, it did in this color, but it's not matte green. As you can see, this one's matte green, whereas this one right here is metallic green. They both kind of look the same, but yeah, at first I thought both of them were the same. Turns out the matte green one is actually a racing version. We actually did have a racing version previously. Let's see, here it is, the white one, the AMG Race Academy. This is also from the Hot Wheels AMG GT racing version. And we have one of the popular ones from a certain movie, AMG GT R. So this released in a movie, famous Transformers AMG GT R. You might remember this one. Ignore the fact that it's quite dusty, I know. I forgot to wipe it when I get it off the cupboard. There you go. Yeah, so this one is the basically the Transformers one. So yeah, enough with the comparisons. Let's take a look at the matte green one here. So first of all, I like the wheels that they use for this one compared to the metallic green one. I like this one better. It makes it much more sportier, and yeah, it makes it much more greater actually. So as you can see on the sides, you have some like, what's this? Some sort of like triangles on the side for a design, which is quite cool. I like it. Moving on to the front, you have the headlights, which are transparent plastic pieces. There's the grille, fully detailed with the Mercedes logo, AMG on the hood, as well as some more of this design right here. I don't know what's it called, but yeah, what I can know is it's basically filled with triangles. Oh yeah, by the way, doors open like always. Then you have a black roof as usual, AMG GTRs. Rear lights right there, and AMG logo and the Mercedes logo right there. Plastic black spoiler right here. Moving on to the base, Majorette, let's see, Mercedes AMG GTR made in Thailand. Overall, nice looking car, and obviously nice looking car, but the design is okay, just that it looks like a repeat from the clean version, the metallic green. but still it looks fine, and I'll still collect more AMG GTRs. And yeah, there you go. That's my review of the AMG GTR in this racing livery. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.